Play the original Diablo on browser for free. MobileSyrup. Scientists just built a mini-sun in a lab that emits plasma burps. Spac.com. Xiaomi working on reverse wireless charging for upcoming phone. Android Authority. Latest Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 leaks give us the best look at it yet. TechRadar. NASA satellite uncovers first nearby super-Earth. Deccan Herald. Fortnite Season 10 adds giant two-person mechs, and gadget. More powerful AMD Navi GPUs said to be on track. KitGuru. The Great Escape – something has just been «kicked out» of Milky Way's supermassive black hole. Advocator. Gas, diesel up, propane down slightly. VOCM. Halterm acquired by Singapore-based port operator, CBC.ca.